My name is Reanna Hagel. I'm the Channel Marketing Manager for Syngenta Canada, and I live northeast of Calgary in a small farming community. I grew up near Lumby, British Columbia in the North Okanagan on a cow-calf operation and small feedlot, and my parents are still operating their farm there today. I've been involved in agriculture from a very early age because my parents' operation was very much a family farm. And so my sister and I were both, from the very beginning, encouraged to help with field work, taking care of animals, both in the feedlot and in the cow herd, and all of the things that it takes to keep a farm running. My earliest and fondest memories of working on the farm when I was younger generally have to do with battling the weather and working together to get the hay crop up and stored away, or irrigation, because my parents' operation did not have automated irrigation systems, and it was a job every day all summer to keep the crop watered and healthy and to get the most out of the corn and the alfalfa hay that was grown for the cow herd. My favorite part about my job at Syngenta is how we always have the customer in mind, whether those are our grower customers or our channel customers. And of course, I am the daughter of a customer, so it is very easy for me to connect back to how Syngenta supports the agriculture community right from the ground up. What excites me most about the direction that Canadian agriculture is heading today is that it is so much more widely recognized than not very long ago that our land base is not expanding. In fact, it's shrinking, and that we need to be good stewards in order for us to have both agronomic sustainability, economic sustainability, social sustainability, so that the agriculture industry remains competitive and has the longevity to carry forward and for us to have many more generations of Canadian farmers. I think we're more aware of all of that than we've ever been before, and that is exciting to me.